Hi legends, two important levels that I'm currently watching, and perhaps a third. Let's go analyze the price of Bitcoin. And remember, down in the description of this video is my 3 favorite exchanges that I use to do my daily trading on. Bluffin, where you don't need to KYC, up to an 80k bonus depending on how much you deposit and trade, that gets airdropped into your account as you are trading. Go sign up down below with a link and come trade with me. Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin together. Okay, on the price of Bitcoin, here are the 2 or 3 levels that I'm currently watching. The first level is a fresh daily level that formed last night. When you zoom into the daily time frame over here and you zoom in, you can see that there's a fresh daily level that formed over here. So very interesting that we have a fresh daily level, but we also have this naked point of control, the previous day naked point of control, where we're currently finding the rejection here to the downside. Let's jump back onto the 15-minute. So the 2 most important levels here, legends, keeping it light and simple over here, is that we currently got rejected by the naked point of control over here. When I switch on the session volume profile, you will see, just wait for that to load up, that there's a naked point of control, a previous day naked point of control, and this is where we're currently finding the rejection. So if this rejection continues here to the downside, an interesting level that I want to see what's going to happen at this daily level over here, which to me is a decision point. Do we break through with high time frame candle closes below the daily level, retest it as resistance, and then continue to the downside, which increases the probability that we're most likely going to come and claim this low at about $58,200 give or take. Okay, if we get the bounce, we leave a couple of weeks behind, but we don't have high time frame candles closes below the line, then we could see that swing failure pattern, right, and gain momentum back to the upside. Then what I would like to see is how are we going to react at this new fresh daily level at $61,777. Do we SFP or do we smash through with high time frame candles close above the line for continuation here to the upside? Right, legends, let me just clean up the scribble over here. So quite an important level, let me switch off the session volume profile, is when I look at this structure and I take a flip from the lows to the highs that we've made over here, you can see that we're currently being supported here by the 0.382, currently getting a bounce, failing to lose this level. But now we got rejected here by the point of control. So this rejection could definitely send us down to lower levels to come and tap the 0.5, like I mentioned yesterday in my live stream, together in confluence with the daily level. The concerning part about this level is that because there's a daily and a 50% FIB level over here, including a consolidation area right here, where we can see, well, this is definitely a possible bouncing area over here. If we lose this level and we smash down here with high volume and a high time frame candle close below the daily level, we could retest it as resistance, where I'm sure a lot of Fibonacci traders will have limit orders here at the 618 and the 786, speculating on a bounce here to the upside. But what is concerning about this area, let me just clean it up over here, is to say that when I look at this structure, is there's no real support in this area. When I look to the left, I always try and find consolidation areas that can provide support. So when I look at this area, I don't really see any support in this region. And also because we have a daily level over here, probability state from a technical perspective that if you lose the daily level, you retest it as resistance, even when you tap the 0.618, you have now created a massive wall of resistance above, and you could find continuation here to the downside to come and claim this low. So this is quite an important bouncing zone where Bitcoin needs to find its feet for continuation back to the upside. And then I'm interested to see how we're going to react at this daily level. From a shorting perspective, this is obviously a nice little scalp here to the downside where we got rejected, and it's not to say that we are going to reclaim this level and find continuation to the upside. So this could potentially be a retest for continuation here to the downside. Let's see how we react at this level. If we do find the strength and we break this pivot and we have high time frame candles close above the naked point of control, I want to see how we're going to react at this daily level. So a decision point for me, do I long, do I short? And a decision point for me over here, do I long or do I short? Obviously always with good risk management, never more than what you can afford to lose. Right, legends, short little update here from my side today. If you have not seen my bluffing tutorial, go check it out right now. And until the next time, cheers for now.